is Skylar and Peyton here from FUNtastic Kids TV, and today we'll be opening some more surprise eggs. Let's open them up. Unicornie!
Nope.
Look at this!
Oh, wow.
Whoa.
Those are Tokidoki UnicornOs. Series 3.
I want it.
I want Studer.
I want he got her.
Which one do you want, Peyton?
I want her.
I want Studer or Rocky. Studer or Rocky, okay?
They're all cool. They have really good detail.
Need some help?
No, I got it.
You can do it.
Okay.
We got a silver blind bag. I've got this. Hey, let's see. Oh, look at your rainbow guy.
Need some help?
Cool.
I also wanted this rainbow girl. Her name is Pitsy.
I want this.
Pixie, that's cool. Those look cool.
What'd you get?
I want
Oh, Neato.
She got let me see.
Got a lot
Yeah.
of good detail. Does his head move?
She got Cosmo.
Mommy.
Those are cool.
Let's see.
I got this.
That's
They stand
neat.
up. And their tails move.
I want to
Their
do
tails
some
move?
more, Mommy. I want to do some more.
Okay.
I
Those are
got
cool.
Tokidoki right here.
Tokidoki.
Your tail does
This is the
move.
first time we've opened
Oh,
these.
touch this. This is like a blade.
Sharp.
Well, guys, we opened some cool egg surprises. We got Unicornie Pitsy and we got Unicornie Cosmo. We love sharing our surprise eggs with you. Don't forget to leave us down below and just click the subscribe button. Remember, have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Say bye, Peyton.
Bye.